Welcome to Pranavastic. Today we are going to prepare tasty hotel sambar. This type of sambar is generally prepared in Tamil Nadu. For this we require rai 1 teaspoon, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt to taste, sambar powder 3 to 4 red chilies, 6 to 10 curry leaves, 1 tomato, 2 onions, 4 tablespoons of tur dal and tamarind pulp. Here I have pressure cooked the tur dal already. In this I have mixed water and turmeric. So need not use turmeric again while cooking. So for that now we are going to heat a bowl on the stove. For this, once the bowl gets heated, add some oil in it. Now my oil is heated, so I am adding rai. You can see that rai is fluttering, and then add this. Then add curry to it. Then add onions to it. Start sauteing this. Now let the onions saute in the oil until it leaves its rawness. Now our onions have left its rawness. Now we are adding tomato in it. And once again saute this. Tomatoes need not be mashy because we will cook it in tamarind water, it becomes mashy. Then add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and saute it again. And leave it for 2 minutes to fry. Now we are going to add tamarind pulp in it. After adding tamarind pulp, saute it once again. Now add tur dal in this sambar. After adding tur dal, saute this once again and then add water in it as per our requirement, and then saute this sambar once again. And now I am going to add my sambar powder in it, and then after adding sambar powder, add salt to taste, and then saute this sambar once again so that the sambar powder mixed perfectly in this liquid, and then leave this sambar for boiling. Now you can see our sambar started boiling. Now let's check the consistency of the sambar. The consistency of sambar should be very liquid. Then only your sambar with idlis would be very tasty. It should not be very thick like regular sambar. Now you can switch off the flame of the burner, and then your sambar is ready to serve with hot idlis.
Hi everyone. Please watch this video and subscribe and share it.